Welcome back to Boondock Puffins. We have just left the campsite in Germany where we had an awesome view of the Alps and you could see the Neuschwanstein castle in the background, and we are headed towards France.
We're at the petrol station and there are chickens just wandering along, stomping along. That is amazing. Could not be more rural. Phenomenal. Maybe us the petrol station. Save time. This is just proof that we are packing up every day all our stuff, which is actually not that bad. Today's campsite, not quite as picturesque. That's our current view. Tom is... What are you doing, Tom?
Putting a chair away.
Want to have any words of wisdom? I'm going to zoom in on your face, so you better...
Shout out to Trekology.
They are Amazon chairs.
They're making small, very comfy chairs.
Would you also like to appreciate your t-shirt?
Represent. Right. So finally, after over a week of travelling, we haven't been representing, so putting on some Boondock Puffin stickers. If I can find a good spot.
Yeah, that was easy.
There we go. Represent. There we go. On the back. Call it overkill, I call it good advertising.
This is what happens when you leave Tom in charge of stickers. 1 sticker, 2 stickers, 3 stickers, 4 stickers.
Do they know who we're representing now?
What was that, Sass?
Is it clear?
Yes, okay.
We're an hour away from our campsite. I don't know where we are, sort of the middle of northeastern France.
Oh, you missed it.
Missed the sidecar. Just having a Fanta, some olives and some cheese because we are in France.
The most horrendous loose stop.
If you ever come to a supermarché match in the middle of eastern France, don't go to the loo there.
This is what happens when I ask Tom to get vegetables.
Meat stick.
This is not vegetables.
I bought you olives. Just so we're clear for the record.
Do olives count as vegetables? This is something I would like to know. Questionable. So this is Tom putting together the tent for the millionth time. Have you got any better at it?
Thought I had, but then this looks all skew. I think we've gone faster. Better, I don't know, but faster, yes.
And that's the rest of the campsite, which is pretty cool.
Can you see?
Just a lot of trees. There are 2 other campers, if you see. Camper van over there. And a tent over there. The car there next to the bike is actually the owner's. And besides that, got a little farmyard. So, sorry for the angle. It makes it look like Tom's not wearing shorts, but he definitely is. It's because otherwise I've got to move further away. If I do it like that, okay, we'll go like that. Tom, what are you cooking tonight?
So we got courgette and mushroom with some blue cheese melted in to make like a blue cheese, pepper, mushroom, courgette sauce. And then we're going to have some steak cooked very rare with some baguette.
And some very cheap champagne.
All champagne is very cheap in France, except for the expensive champagne.
Which we definitely can't afford.
And this is coming along nicely.
This is Tom's expert meals.
It looks like mush, but it tastes good.
Oh no, it tastes really good. What did you learn today? Picnic blanket.
Picnic. I don't know where that came in. Yeah, always pack a little, you get a micro picnic blanket, and if you're on a very grassy bit, and I love nature, love grass, but lots of bugs, and I just would sort of hope to create a base. You can see I'm not messy.
Also,
in particular.
Tom also got enough bugs today in his helmet. Is that your approach at looking manly?
Having some kind of bug shield. I don't know. There's nothing you can do about bugs.
I beg to differ. You bring me so that you don't get eaten. Why do they like me so much more than
like a
they
marshmallow?
Like you? I'm not a marshmallow. Anything else you would take away from today? Yes, awesome motorbike road.
It was one of the best motorbike roads I've ever been on by like a country mile. Just insane. Sticky roads, grippy, cornery. You had chicanes, you had straights but with bends. It was insane. Insane.
And
hopefully
despite
some
Tom's
footage.
monotone
Some
approach.
footage, yeah.
What's that little pinky doing?
Was that not shown in my... No. Look, what's this pinky doing?
This is Tom, mid-run. Good cop. This is our view. Our run started by going up into those trees. Even at the top you can't see anything because there's trees.
So
it was a good workout.
Vineyards, obviously. But the main thing here are these trees. And they're called?
Marybell.
Pumpernickels. Marybells.
Marybell.
And they make
Which I think is a plum or a prune or
some
something?
kind of prune, and they're the world's biggest producer of marybells. And I think they make sapphire from it as well. Or maybe that's...
Saffron.
Saffron.
Sapphire, definitely.
Sapphire is a colour of a diamond or something. They
Yes.
make saffron from it, and other such wonders, which I'm not sure of. They're very cool all over the place. What a view.
And we're going to carry on.